Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Netflix. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, July 20th, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Netflix? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 15, 2022, our system ranks the Netflix stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.000. This is an average return of 3.61% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Netflix, our last headline reads, strong day for Netflix stock price on Wednesday, rising 7.35% to $216.44. The Netflix stock price gained 7.35% on the last trading day, Wednesday, July 20, 2022, rising from $201.63 to $216.44. And has now gained 5 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 8.43% from a day low at $200.10 to a day high of $216.97. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 17.59% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 27 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 54 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $11.66 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $700.99, and the lowest price was $162.71. Right now the price is 69.12%, or $484.55, below 52-week high at $700.99, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend up. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $197.99, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $239.15 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 5.89% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 31.81% and minus 13.91%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 60.20% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 87.36% and minus 36.62%. This equals a price between $27.35 and $137.19 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Netflix stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Netflix stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Netflix. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Netflix stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $189.13 and $185.89. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, June 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 29.19%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 25 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 142 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 147 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Netflix. Netflix finds support from accumulated volume at $215.50, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $16.87 between high and low, or 8.43%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.51%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Netflix. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Netflix currently has a price-earning ratio of 16.18. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Netflix meets first resistance at $218.22. If you do not hold Netflix shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Netflix finds first level of support at $215.50, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Netflix is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On July 1, 2022, Mather ANN made an inside buy of 347 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On July 1, 2022, Peters Gregory K made an inside buy of 9,262 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On July 1, 2022, Sarandos Theodore A made an inside buy of 23,155 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On July 1, 2022, Smith Bradford L made an inside buy of 347 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On July 1, 2022, Barton Richard N made an inside buy of 347 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 97.298. In total, the insiders bought 389,151 and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $208.78, minus 3.54%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 24 days ago. Is Netflix stock a buy? Netflix holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 21st, we expect Netflix to open down negative $5.27 and start trading at $211.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.